I'm at an event tonight called Feast and Furious. Hopefully you can hear me. It's quite loud. Tons of cars, ranging everything from old school to new school. So the best thing about going to car meets, not only you get to see cool cars, but you get to meet dudes like this guy. Say g'day. Nah, he's too busy just hanging out tonight. Shooting car shows can be a bit of a pain because cars are pretty tightly packed together, but if you find something like this little Corolla or this little Fiat just over here, they're on a great angle. They're parked away from all the other cars. There's nothing in the way. There's barely any people around them because they're old and people go for the newer cars. Or even this little Mazda RX-3 behind me here. It's just started up, check it out. It's pretty rad, it's in a good spot. I might get some photos of that just now, but I'm going to shoot that Corolla first, but just in case your Harley wasn't fast enough, check this out. So car events are awesome for shooting cars, but you have to put up with all this. Got to put up with people in every shot. So my advice, try and wait for a moment when there's no one around it and then get your shot. Otherwise you're just not going to get it. You take 3 or 4 shots and then stack them and then delete everybody, but way too much effort. Best off just waiting until it clears out and then go from there. It's easier. So I decided to leave the family car at home tonight and I brought the good car out. Been out here shooting for a couple of hours now, checking out all the various cars. You can hear that rotary going off in the background, but I think I've found the one I really love. Check out this Porsche. When it comes to lenses for shooting at car shows, some people do like using a prime lens, but me, I'm currently using my Sigma 17-50 2.8. I like the adjustability so I can get in close, or I can do some sneaky hideaway shots from behind a car and get the car that I want if I can't get too close to it, because some cars are just too close to each other, so you need a bit of distance in between there, and then others are that close that you need to get in tight too. So having that adjustability makes life a lot easier for me. Sorry about the noise, but we are in a fruit market, tons of people around, people leaving.